Oregon's network, even though it's not the biggest university, is so well connected. When you're in New York, or you're in Miami, you're in Chicago, you're in LA, and you see someone else with the Oregon Ducks logo, you instantly have that connection with them.
You have a sense of camaraderie with your fellow Ducks. Having those connections at the College of Business really helped me get my footing in San Francisco.
There's that concept of once a duck, always a duck. Think about the networking you do on campus. Leverage that as you continue on, but never stop.
At Lundquist, it's a huge community, so everyone really wants to build each other up.
Find a club or student group that you're passionate about and stick with it.
I don't know any other school that provides that same opportunity to really have real-world leadership learning before they get out into the workplace. That's the most hands-on experience you can get.
If my name is associated with sports business and the University of Oregon and athletics, that alone holds so much value.
We really get to interact with professionals outside of the business school and just getting a sneak peek at what the real world is like.
In the clubs, those are places that help you prepare for your future career.
And I would not be who I am today without being here.
We have different Meet the Students nights, Meet the Firm, so companies come out to us and we meet them. This is way after hours.
Companies right now just looking for those fresh out-of-the-box thinkers that are able to just bring a new perspective to the business and be the next best thing.
Take what you learn from the classroom and build your experience in the real world.